everyone, welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene, this is Sweet Benji, and we have a quick and yummy neck and upper back mobility practice for you today. So thank you so much for being here. Let's start in a comfortable cross-legged seat. Take your time getting into this first position. Of course, feel free to sit up on a blanket or a block or anything that supports you today. We'll start by just taking a deep inhale in together and a long exhale out together. And if it feels right for you today, you might close the eyes as we breathe in together here and breathe out together. And one more time, just like this, inhale in. And exhale to release. Open the eyes if you close them. Bring the hands to the knees, so palms to the knees. And we're going to just start with a little circular motion, leading with the chest. So as you come forward, think about smoothing your chest forward. And then as you round through the spine and come back, think about drawing your chin to your chest. Inhaling, chest comes forward. Exhaling, we come around, chin to chest. Moving with your breath. Reversing the circle, inhale. Come forward, exhale, rounding the shoulders, chin to chest. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Beautiful, release that. Come back to a nice straight spine. And we're gonna draw the chin to the chest here, draw the shoulder blades together. Breathe in here. And then on an exhale, bring your right ear over your right shoulder. Pause here, breathe. Shoulders are relaxing down. If it feels good, you can close your eyes here. Feeling that deep stretch on the left side of the neck. And then drawing the chin to the chest and taking it to the other side. Slowly, gently, left ear to left shoulder. You can close your eyes here if it feels good. Think about your shoulder blades coming together and melting down. Inhale in deeply and exhale one more time to each side. So take it to the right. And this time you have two options. You might find some soft, easy movement by lifting the chin up and down. Or you might even see how it feels to gently, very lightly rest your right hand on your head. Then release, slowly bring it through center and take it to the other side. Maybe nodding the head, the chin up and down. Maybe bringing the left hand gently to the head. And then letting everything go, come back to center, chin to chest, and then slowly carve a line with the nose all the way up to where the wall and the ceiling meet. So you're not necessarily going all the way up towards the sky. And then we'll take it back down and then lift, just nodding the head. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Make sure you're not holding your breath. And then finally taking that nose and drawing a circle with it about the size of a dinner plate here. One way and then the other, reverse it. And release. Nice work. Let's come forward now onto all fours. Feel free to pad the knees if it feels good. Since Benji left, I will take his blanket. Tabletop position. Let's take a moment just to do a couple cat-cows here together. So drop the belly, open the chest, look forward. Think about the stretch in the throat here in the front of the neck. Lengthen up through the crown, press away from your mat with your hands. And then exhale, round through the spine, chin to chest. Think about drawing that chin really in towards the chest. Jalandhara Bandha is what we call it in the yoga practice. And then inhale one more time, drop the belly, open the chest, look forward. Exhale, round through the spine, chin to chest. Beautiful. From here, spread the left fingertips. Make sure there's a soft bend in your left elbow. And we'll bring the right fingertips now either to the right temple or behind the head. Right elbow's bent. Hug the low ribs, connect to your core center for a little stability. Inhale, right elbow's going to open up towards the sky. And then exhale, come right back to where you started. Inhale, open. It's a small movement. And then back to center. Inhale, open. Focusing on the upper back here. Inhale to open, expand. Exhale to reset. One more time. Inhale to open, expand. Exhale to reset. Beautiful. Bring your right hand down. Now we're going to reposition the legs by bringing the knees a little bit wider and the big toes to touch. So just creating a little bit of a wider base in the legs. Left hand stays where it's at. Right hand reaches up towards the sky. And then exhale, thread the needle. Right fingertips come in and underneath the bridge of the left arm. Press into the left palm. Find a nice stretch here, and then we're gonna take it right back up. Inhale, right fingertips reach up towards the sky. Exhale, rotate from the thoracic all the way through into the twist, threading the needle. Inhale, we reach it up. Exhale, rotate. One more time, inhale, reach it up. Exhale, rotate, and then we're gonna stay here for 3 breaths. Find what feels good with the left hand. I like to use like my left hand kind of pressing into the earth to help both deepen the stretch but also provide a little stability. Breathe. And after your 3rd breath, we'll inhale in, use the exhale to slowly guide yourself all the way back. This is where we'll come back to tabletop position with the knees underneath the hips. So walk the knees back, reset with the hands. Soft bend in the right elbow, spread the right fingertips. Left fingertips are either gonna come to the palm, to the temple, or to palm to the back of the head. So your shoulder will kind of tell you what's the best fit. And then when you're ready, inhale, we open up through the left wing this time, and then exhale, elbow in line with the shoulder, reset. Inhale, we open. Exhale, reset. Inhale, open. Exhale, reset. Inhale, open. Exhale, reset. You got this. Inhale one more time, open. Exhale, reset. Beautiful. Hands, both hands come to the earth. Let's widen the knees, bring the big toes to touch. And then when you're ready, inhale, left fingertips reach all the way up towards the sky. Neck is nice and long. Exhale, thread the needle. And inhale, we open up. Left fingertips to the sky. Exhale, thread the needle. With your breath, inhale, press up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale. Thread the needle one more time. Inhale, open up through the chest, shoulder blades draw together as you reach left fingertips to the sky. And then exhale, thread the needle. Maybe walking the right hand out or finding what feels good with the right hand. You have options. You can keep the right elbow bent. You can bring it to the lower back. We'll take 3 breaths here. Careful not to clench in the jaw. See if you can soften through the skin of your forehead. And after your 3rd breath, inhale in, use the exhale to come all the way back to all fours. We'll finish with a little scap push-up. So come to tabletop position, spread the fingertips wide. Inhale, broaden through the chest by pressing gently up and out of the yoga mat, away from the earth. Inhale in here, gaze slightly forward, neck is long. Exhale, slowly lower the chest, draw the shoulder blades together, squeeze. Inhale in here, exhale to press up. Inhale, slowly drawing the shoulder blades together, chest lowers. Exhale, chest lifts. Continue just a couple more rounds with the sound of your breath. Let's do one more. Inhaling to lower the chest, shoulder blades come together. Exhale to lift the chest, shoulder blades lengthen away from each other. Beautiful. Take a deep breath in here. Exhale, come to sit back on your heels, or you can transition to a comfortable seat. Let's take a moment to just rotate the wrists one way and then the other. Nice work today, my friends. Let's inhale, send the fingertips out, open palms, lift the heart, take a deep breath in, and exhale, draw the palms together as we close this session. Thanks so much. Take good care.